holes at the bottom of the bottle. See guys, I have put the holes. Guys, if you want, you can put some coloring into the water. I'm going to add blue. Guys, now you have to put the empty bottle in the big bowl and pour some water. Yeah. Oh, what a big bottle. Now quickly close the lid. Guys, if you open the lid, see what will happen. Guys, if you close the lid, the water won't splash. If you open the lid, the water will splash. Let's try it. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open, close. 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 Wow! It's spreading out the water if we open it. Like a shower. Wow, did you see that guys? It was very cool, isn't it? I hope you guys also like this video.